Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do another shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. I don't know if you guys heard, Dobie was coming in. Her nails are clickety-clacking on the floor. All right, so today's shave soap is by Master Soap Creations, and this is Only the Brave. Now, this is an homage. I thought she was gonna want to lick some soap. This is an homage to Diesel, and I don't know, have you guys missed out on when I used to put the little scent profile right here? I'll put it there for your viewing pleasure. If it's too quick, just pause the video and you'll be able to read the scent notes. But it is a nice, kind of a masculine scent. To me, once it's whipped up, I mean, even in the tub, it's kind of light. It's not, you know, real in your face as far as scent level. But man, this thing whipped up with no problem. I used 1/4 teaspoon and 11 milliliters of water. Oh yeah, it's a very nice lather. This soap is a little bit harder in the tub, which means you're going to get a lot more use. And I'm already blooping on my shirt, which I didn't want to do today because I'm running late on my video and I got a couple things to try to get done today. This is a tallow-based soap, and I forgot to mention that I'm using this beautiful classic red Trotters handcraft brush. Look at that, with the Badger T1 knot. Okay, and today's razor is going to be, let me rinse this off real quick here. I'm getting it all over. I'll clean up later. Anyway, this razor is by Italian barber, and this is the Razorock Wunderbar, and this is a slant razor, and it's pretty slanty. And if you didn't know, in case you're not up on your German, Wunderbar means wonderful, and I will say it is a nice razor. I'm going to be putting a Gillette super thin blade in it, and this will be the last use for this blade. I'm stretching it out just a little bit. It's on the 6th. This will be the 6th shave. Usually I do 5 and toss them, but desperate times call for desperate measures. All right, so here we go. We'll get it loaded up in there, and it definitely tweaks the blade. There's no overhang, and this is all stainless steel. It's a beautiful razor. The handle, I'm not real fond of, but I've got enough handles I can always swap it out. But since that's what it came with, I'm using it today. Let's see. Yeah, I'm ready to go. All I've got to do is warm up the razor and get the shave going. I do have 3 days worth of growth. I stretched it out just a little bit. I didn't realize it. This thing is super smooth and very efficient as far as the razor goes. One pass is, man, it's nice. It puts other razors to shame. I know they came out with a new, I think it's called the Super Slant, and there's variations of it where you can get, you know, like a mild and then a mild plus and then a mild plus plus. I don't know why they had to redesign this because this is excellent. Some people say it's aggressive and it'll get you, but I've never had it get me. And if you didn't know and someone was just shaving you blindly, you would think, oh, this is a mild shave. And I'm gonna need multiple passes, but it's excellent. Right up my alley. If you have the Wunderbar razor, comment below and let me know, how do you like it? How does it perform for you? The soap performs well. There's not a whole lot of residual slickness with it, And it could be just that I've had this soap for, I don't know, maybe 3 years now. Oh boy. I might not be wearing this shirt today, out and about. At least it's not a black shirt. Very nice, rich lather, thick, lots of protection. It's a pretty good value. Now, pass number 2 across the grain. With this being a slant razor, it's a little tricky to edge things up. You can do it. I've got confidence in you. Oh yes. Well, the weekend is closing in rapidly. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Some of you may be off tomorrow for the holiday. I know I would have been if I was working. Still off work, so. All right, let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. Wow, what a nice close shave. Let me tell you, every time I use that razor, I am impressed. I do have the matching aftershave splash, and this is one of those splashes that if you let it set, it's going to separate, so go ahead and give it the shake, shake, shake. And it's kind of milky looking. Oh yeah, now the scent is definitely stronger in the splash. I haven't used this in a while. I would buy an EDT of this if they offered it. And they may, I don't know. I haven't been on their website in a while. I'm gonna chase that with the Star Jelly. No shave is complete without the Star Jelly. All right, guys, that is going to be my shave for today. I'll put a picture right here of everything that I used. The one thing this shave's missing is just a little bit of menthol. But anyway, I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.